video conferencing is the transmission of audio-video signals by users in different locations so they can communicate in real time. This technology is used to facilitate conferences, online meetings, summits, distance education, and training. eZ-Xpo provides innovative solutions to all types of businesses worldwide. We help them get more traffic, leads, and sales through our game-changing features and applications. Connect, promote, and collaborate anytime, anywhere 24/7 by launching a virtual expo, virtual summit, virtual job fair, or virtual training. To provide the best possible service, eZ-Xpo also has the Instant Hot Lead Alert, SEO Booster, Virtual Spokesperson, AI Chatbot, and Social Live. And now, we're very pleased to announce that Zoom video conferencing is now fully integrated into the eZ-Xpo platform. With over 750,000 users, Zoom is one of the leading video conferencing platforms in the world, revolutionizing the way people collaborate. Whether you're conducting a virtual trade show, connecting multiple users, or adding remote attendees, meeting face-to-face is as easy as a single click. It's so natural, it's like actually being there. The eZ-Xpo platform now empowers over 750,000 Zoom users worldwide to launch a virtual expo, virtual summit, virtual job fair, and virtual training wherever they may be. No need to pay for extra webcasting costs. Conduct a web-based seminar with multiple audiences around the world. Interact, discuss, and collaborate with customers, partners, and stakeholders. Here is how it works. Become an exhibitor or organizer and log into the eZ-Xpo platform. Then, go to your virtual booth. Go to Conferences, then select Web Conferencing. Then select Zoom. It's that simple. Organizers, exhibitors, and sponsors can use their Zoom account to launch video conferencing directly from their virtual booth. Easily launch a virtual expo, virtual summit, virtual job fair, or virtual training and start connecting with people. Aside from the Zoom video conferencing integration, exhibitors can also launch Facebook Live, Periscope Live, YouTube Live, and easy web conferencing straight from their virtual booth for higher SEO ranking and unlimited social traffic. The eZ-Xpo Virtual Collaborative Network caters to all types of businesses worldwide, whether startups, SMEs, or large corporations. To learn more about eZ-Xpo and the Zoom video conferencing integration, call us at 1-888-718-5333 or go to www.ezxpo.com.